Hello everyone, this is my water bottle flipping experiment. Okay, here's the physics of it. We used a 16.9 Aquafina water bottle filled with a little less than a third of the way with water. And my husband, my honey bear, held the water bottle from the top. He was actually able to do this on the first try, so this was pretty impressive. The water and the center of gravity rested in the base of the bottle. With the angular momentum or the toss of the water bottle, the water slushes around inside the bottle, and the momentum is then transferred to the heavier water, thus slowing the spin of the water bottle. And this causes the water bottle to fall with gravity and then straight and upright on the table. This was actually really cool.